You don't need to go on self-improvement path. Yes, you don't need to go. First ask this question. Why do you want to go on self-improvement path? Understand this. It might be hard or not might, must be hard. First ask, can you bear this pain or can you bear this uncomfortability? If you have a courage, then you have to go on self-improvement path. And if you are a loser and you think, yes bro, I am a loser and I cannot do it, it's upon me. What do you think about yourself? It is really matters. If you think I am a shit, then you are a shit. That's a reality. But you are thinking I'm God, then you are really a God. And you can do everything, whatever you want. But remember, understand this also, that you have lack of skills. Yes, you have perfect knowledge, perfect everything, but you cannot understand. Yes, you cannot understand what you really want. Yes, you have knowledge. I'm not neglecting that. You have knowledge and you're really knowledgeable person. But you don't know what you need to do. And that's a really weak point. Like every intellectual or like you say, he have really lots of knowledge. According to me, that is not knowledge. If he have a knowledge, he must take action. Without execution, knowledge is totally pointless. And without knowledge, execution is totally pointless. Because you don't know what should I do. But if you have a knowledge, you can do knowledge with action. That's the best combination to eat. That's the best combination for life. You can change your life through this. Just try. Just try, bro. Don't give any excuses. I know you have lots of excuses. Like, if I ask you, why you don't need to do that? You give me lots of excuses. And why you need to do that? You have no anything to say. Why? Because human brain wants pleasure. Yes, he wants comfortability. And that's normal. Yes, your brain needs comfortability. Survival instincts. But now, there is no to hunt. Now you have to earn money. Because nowadays money is important. Yes, I know some people say, bro, money doesn't matter. Yes, I absolutely agree with you. First, earn money. Then you have right to say money doesn't matter. And if you are happy without money, not theoretically, but actually, that's the best thing in your life. Because in the end, what we need? Clothes, home, food. Enough. Maybe you fulfill your desires, and desires cannot be filled or cannot be complete. Because desire need more. Like more. And you don't need to do that. Try to understand this. If you're single, bro, I have lots of dreams. Yes, you have lots of dreams, but I would say focus on one thing. And that's the power of self-improvement. When you're going on self-improvement path, you are trying to do lots of things. And that's the weak point of yourself. If you can focus only one thing, that's the powerful thing. First, master one thing. Only one thing and monetize this. It will change your life. Just try this. Yes, you take lots of time to master that. Yes, absolutely. Lots of things need time to be mastered. You cannot learn in a night. You need 1 year or 2 years to learn full. Become a master. Becoming a master, it needs 10 years. 5 years at least. Maximum anything. But that's at the minimum. So don't focus on fast success. Try to focus on upskilling yourself. Go, yes, you need to go. Then you can understand yourself better. Then you can understand, yes, I need this, and I like this, I like this. And that's the crazy thing in life. Just go on a self-improvement path. Yes, I understand this. It is really so difficult to bear that uncomfortability. But believe me, just do that. Just bear it. You can just find that enjoy in that bearing. In uncomfortability. Just bear it. And you can see the change. You can see the change. Just go on a self-improvement path. And please don't give any excuses. You don't need to give any excuses. Understood?